Guys, in today's video, I wanted to show you how I reorganized my mother's one cupboard, and I didn't use any organization products or anything. I just simply did a declutter, and I think it turned out great. So let's check it. Let's start with the bottom shelf. On the right hand side, I put all of her condiments in, and on the left, I have her seasonings. Now up top, I put all of her baking goods in. On the right hand side, I put all the box stuff, and on the left, I put all the bagged and jarred stuff. I just love how this turned out. Here are some other of my organizing videos. I have a link down below of all the different ones that there are. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.